Hello and welcome back. So today let's discuss about Order 14 fiscal localization for Germany. So first let's install the German localization package from Odoo App Store. Okay, and removing apps filter, just search for Germany. So you can see there are 4 modules available. So first one is Germany accounting, that contains German chart of accounts based on the SKR03. And then we have Germany accounting reports. So accounting reports for Germany contains a balance sheet, profit and loss account, VAT and partner VAT reports, and also DATEV export options in general ledger. Then we have 2 other modules, that is Germany SKR03 and SKR04. So first one, this module contains German chart of accounts based on the SKR03, and second one contains German chart of accounts based on SKR04. So German localization provides two chart of accounts, and both are supported by Odoo. So by default, chart of account SKR03 is taken into account. So one has to confirm which chart of account package needs to be used for the company and choose it from accounting configuration settings before making any accounting entry. So we have to set the localization from our accounting module. Okay, so after installing these modules, you can set company details. You can set the country inside your company. Okay, so here when you go to settings, okay, so here we can see the country set. So you can select a state from here. Okay, so after setting the country, state and city, here we can provide the VAT number, company registry, and you can see 2 other the fields here. Then we can provide company address. Okay, so after setting the company, you have to switch to that company. And okay, so now when you go to accounting, configuration settings, okay, so when you search for fiscal country, you can find that Germany is automatically set. So only tax reports associated to this country will be available. And here we can find the fiscal localization. So here we can see the two available, that is chart of account, localization for chart of accounts. You can see 2. So by default it is set as this one. So the main difference between these two are it lies in the account structure. So the first one, SKR03, basically is used at small business and startups because this chart of accounts is based on the business process the company follows, not the financial statements. So this one is understandable for young companies. And when it comes to second one, SKR04, they are especially used where financial process and statements have a great importance and need to publish the balance sheet, income statements, profit and loss reports, etc. So companies having a turnover of more than 600,000 euros are mainly using this chart of accounts. So one must ensure that chart of accounts is selected for the company before making an account entry. So from the accounting configuration settings, you have to choose this one. But once an account entry like an invoice or bill is generated, it is not possible to change the package. So we have to choose a correct package from here. Okay, so after choosing correct package, localization package, we can save. And if you require additional accounts that is for your business process, that can be manually created as per the requirement. So here we can find our chart of accounts. So you can see some chart of accounts are automatically that is created, and you can also manually create chart of accounts from here. Then you can configure the partner by following the same procedure as in default Odoo. Okay, then let's move on to German accounting reports. So there are different accounting reports here for Germany. So here under Germany you can find balance sheet, profit and loss, then partner, VAT, intra. Okay, so I can see the balance sheet here. So we can filter this report by that is adding comparison here. Then we can find different options. So you can export this balance sheet as XLS format. And then we have profit and loss report. Then partner, VAT, intra. Then we have a tax report under audit report. So we can export this report as in Excel format, then XML, and okay. Then when you just come under audit reports and when you open this general ledger, here we can find an option to export the accounting entries from Odoo to DATEV, that is in zip format. So Odoo Enterprise Database with German localization facilitates this feature. Okay, so you can click on this option, export DATEV, to export the details into zip format. So here we can save this data as general ledger report in a zip format, in a compressed format. So these are the main features. There is additional options coming in German localization. So that's all about fiscal localization for Germany.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.